I've received some questions about, do I have plans for these things? Am I making it up as I go along? Do I work from the ideas or pictures or something like that? Most of the time, I find a piece and then build the idea around it. So I've had this for a number of years, and it's a hunk of petrified wood that has been core drilled at a big rock shop in southern Oregon. And I bought a few of them, although none of them are the same. And I thought that would make a neat wine rack. So that's the start of the idea. And that just sort of sat and languished for, well, many years until I finally got to the point, like I am right now, able to work on it. So I pulled it out. First thing I had to do is scrub it down with some degreaser because they're cut in hydraulic oil and get it all cleaned up. And it'll have to bake here in the heater and dry off. But that's irrelevant. Here is Genesis. Here's the thing the idea is created around. And I work with that. And so here's a rough sketch of the idea. And I mean rough sketch. The rock itself, it's really about 8.5. So this is the rock here in its basic shape there. And I want an extra 4 inches on either side. None of this is to scale. This will be a rack, like a tool rack. So you'll have your little corkscrew. Look at that artistic way I drew that. And I have an arrow pointing to wine tool. I don't know what kind of wine tools there are, but some sort of like wine tools. Then, because I thought it was really neat, and I've seen a lot of people save the corks, I'm going to put a reclining, probably 45-degree shelf here, and it's a spike board, so that you can take your cork and stick it down on there. I know a lot of people really like to do that, and so as you go through your wine, it'll get more and more full, and it's just kind of adds to the texture of the piece. It allows the person who hopefully purchases it, though we end up donating most of our stuff. I do hope that good karma comes back some other time. But hopefully the person who purchases it or gets it in donation, they get to participate in the overall idea. So as rambling and new age and dirty hippie as that might sound, that's the way it works. And it's why no two pieces are ever really the same. I don't show you when I mass produce stuff. I mass produced a whole bunch of napkin holders the other day to hopefully sell at a small craft fair. I just set the jigs up and you make 15 copies, right? That's the way to make money. But this, one-of-a-kind pieces, that's the way to make yourself happy. I better get that bacon in the heater now. Got to get that moisture out before it gets below freezing up here tonight. Thanks for watching.